You need to have a 30-minute long video. But if you don't have a 30-minute long video, you can use a video at maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes, But if your videos are not that long, add them into playlists. So once all of that is done now, so I need you to head over to your Chrome browser, your Google Chrome browser. Just click on this search button right here and enter YouTube.com. This actually works on desktop too. So let's just click on search. So it give you some time. So here, so this is the interface. I don't know why it's recommending my videos. Okay, maybe because, okay. So now let's just search for it's Ineka, which is my channel. So once I get here, click on my channel name and then click on playlist. Yeah, so as you can see, I have just 2 playlists here. So this one was Make Money Online when I was in the Make Money Online niche, and the first one, YouTube Growth. So YouTube Monetization. I'll just click on it right here and click on share. So I would copy the link. That's all I need. So after that is done, I'm going to head over to my Google Keep, or you can maybe paste it somewhere. You can paste it as a WhatsApp chat. Just find a place to paste it first because you'll be needing it for later. Okay, so I just came to my Google Keep. Let me come right here and paste it. So you can see this is what it looks like you get. So now I will now close this and head over to YouTube and search for that big YouTuber. Let me decrease the volume of this so you guys can hear me. And search for that big YouTuber that is in your niche. That's why it's always good to have a mentor that is, doing well and doing great. So let me search for, who should I use? I have a lot of them. Okay, let me just use Ben Did It because I have a lot of creators that are actually in my niche that are doing great. So let's just use Ben Did It. As you can see, this is a big YouTuber. You can see from the subscribers, 84.3k. Wow, and he's doing great. So just click on this view channel, then click on videos. I can use any of his videos. Let me just use this most recent video of his. Click on share. Click on copy link. So now head over to the playlist. This playlist, you get what I mean? So I'll come right here, delete from this list. What's it called? I'll delete back. Then put and then you guys should look at this step carefully so you don't get to miss out on how I'm doing. Then in front of this, and I'm trying to do it, but my fingers are not okay. Let me just paste it here first. My phone, okay, yeah. So this is the link. So this, and I have to bring them. So you can see I just brought them together. I deleted everything before the list. You can see. Before this list is equal, so I deleted everything. Then I put an and is link. So after all of that is done, the next thing, this particular place is now like where the work is actually. You need to copy this whole entire link. So once you copy this whole entire link, you can go ahead and place it, share it to groups where they have similar interests. Like maybe you can go on Facebook. Facebook, they have different groups. If you are into African folk tales, like search for groups in your niche. They have several groups on Facebook, on, what's it called? On Reddit, on Twitter, like a lot of social. In fact, in your WhatsApp, you can share it in your WhatsApp group, like share it across different platforms online. Because let me show you guys what will happen when people click on the link. So you can see, let me copy all of this. Like I want to open the link. So I'll just click on open right now. So as you can see, this is the video of that particular big YouTuber in my niche that is playing first. But if you look down, the next video to play next is going to be my video. It's actually very advisable for you to use your playlist so that when one video is done playing, the next can play. And also, it is very good to use someone in your niche so it can sync. The kind of audience that are interested in watching this guy's video will be interested in watching my own video because of why we are in the same niche and we are similar. Do you guys actually get the point now? So don't just use any random person because they are actually, let let me pause this so I can actually address. So don't just use any other, like anybody, because you feel like, oh, this particular person is a very, very popular person. The person has large audience, and then you just go ahead and use the person. When they are done watching that person's video, they might not still want to watch your video because it is not even syncing. It is not in line. You guys have different audience. So their kind of audience might not be interested in your video. So I don't know if you guys get what I mean. In summary, the trick of doing this is using a popular big YouTuber in your niche that people already know and acknowledge. That, if you're in the music industry now, if you use something like Wizkid, maybe like Davido or something, those kind of people, they're already in the big internet space. Like, you understand that they're actually very popular. If you use them, if you're in the cooking niche, if you use something like CCME, people already know CCME and they love CCME. Like, if your video is in the cooking niche, just look for someone that is already great, like popular, like people already know them. If you're doing gist, maybe you're actually, if you're in Nigeria, I don't know, a lot of us know Very Dark Man. If you're talking about gist, Nigerian news, you can use Very Dark Man. Use his video. Once they are done watching your video, your own video will pop up next. So that's how you can do it, and share to different groups. That way you'll be getting engagement. Not only engagement, you'll be getting watch hour on your videos. So guys, if you have learned one or two, let me cancel this to show you guys. You guys can see my videos. You can see these are all of my videos, all of my videos. Yes. So if you have learned one or two in this, please do what to hit on the like button, do what to subscribe, do what to share. And if you are still having, concerns, questions, or nothing is clear to you, let me know in the comment section. And yes, I could remember in the thumbnail of this particular video, I actually mentioned about getting free money. Don't worry, I think let me face you guys to discuss that. Okay, so regarding this free money that I actually want to give out, a lot of you might actually feel like you're not interested because you might feel like the money is too small, especially those that are abroad, or some people in Nigeria too that actually living large. So because the particular amount is actually very small, but if you're interested, do let me know, because you guys are really giving out to me so much ever since I got monetized on this particular platform. Like, you guys have been, amazing, and I won't even lie. In fact, everything I've gotten on this YouTube, I got it because of you guys. If you guys are not watching, there's no way I would have gotten anything that I have right now on YouTube. So I am super grateful for you guys, and I decided to give back to the community. I be give back to my society, even though it is just small. So I want to be giving out 50,000 naira to 2 people. That is 100,000 naira. I know it's small. I know you could say this money is small. I know. So I want to give out 50,000 naira. I'm going to be choosing 2 people from the comment section. Just let me know what you'll be needing what am I saying? What you be need that 50,000 naira. Let me know what you'll be needing it for. I want to just give just 2 people, please. I don't have money to be able to give for like 10 people to know. It's just 2 people. So just let me know. I'm going to be checking the comment, every comment. Just 2 people. If you know that, oh, you're already bigger than that, type shit. In Regina Dane's voice, type shit. Yeah. So if you know that you're actually bigger than that and you don't, you don't want to participate, you can leave it. It's fine. But if you know that you're interested, just let me know in the comment section what you'll be doing, like what you need it for, why you need the 50,000 naira. Just 2 people. And probably in my next video or subsequent videos, maybe if I'm able to pick from this one, I would be disclosing the people. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. See you in our next video. Bye, guys.